Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So earlier this year I made a video about the Amazon Kindle tax information for non-US citizens, and recently it has been getting a lot of views and also a lot of questions like this and this around fixing the payment issues regarding the Amazon Kindle. So if you are a non-US citizen and you don't have a Europe account or a US account and you're finding it difficult to link or to have your payment details attached to your Amazon Kindle account, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to link a bank account to your Amazon Kindle account. Or even if you've been trying, you pick your country and then you receive error messages like this one, I'm going to show you how you can fix that and get your Amazon Kindle publishing money straight into your account. If you are new here, my name is Victoria, and on this channel I share a lot of things. I talk about money, I talk about business, and I answer a lot of questions also. This is one of those videos where I answer your questions. So if you have any questions regarding the videos I've made before or any other one, even if it's unrelated, please let me know in the comment section. I'll answer you in there, or I can make a video for you just like this. Like this video, share this video, and please subscribe if you enjoy watching my content. For what we are about to do, you need two things. First, you need your Amazon Kindle account, of course. Second, you need a Payoneer account. So if you don't have a Payoneer account or you don't know what a Payoneer account is, I've got a video in the description box below. You can watch it to have an idea and also to register to have a Payoneer account. So a Payoneer account helps you to have US bank accounts, UK bank accounts, as many bank accounts as you want, and then they process your payments directly into your local bank account. So right now I'm signed into my Amazon Kindle publishing account, and as you can see, my details are there, and I've already successfully added a bank account before. It was a Barclays bank account. So today I'm going to be trying to link another account, which is a dollar account. So like I said, you need a Payoneer account, and for this Payoneer account you'll be able to choose different accounts, majorly dollars and pounds. So you can pick the state depending on the Payoneer account type that you want to use. So if you are using a dollars, of course you pick United States. So right now I pick United States, but if you want to use a pound denomination, you can actually pick maybe United Kingdom or that. So now I'm going to log in into my Payoneer account. If you don't have a Payoneer account, you can check the box below, and there's a video there about how you can open a Payoneer account. So right now I'm trying to sign in into my Payoneer. You can then log in into your Payoneer account and then pick the particular currency that you want. I want USD, so I click on those three dots and I clicked receiving accounts. So it brings me to this page. You have to scroll down and you'll be able to see where you click to get a full overview of your account. So here it is. You've got the name of the bank address, routing number, account number, beneficiary name. So these details are the details that you're going to enter into your Amazon Kindle bank account details. So you just copy and paste. You copy and paste. So that's basically what I am doing here. I'm just copying and pasting. So here is asking for the beneficiary name. I just copied it and then I go back to my Amazon Kindle, and then for the account name I paste it there. I continue till I filled up everything. So you see that it is for your Payoneer, it is a checking account. So make sure that you click on checking account for your Amazon Kindle. After that, you click on add, scroll up, you see you're almost done, click save at the bottom and all that. So right now I've got 2 bank accounts. So if this is your own first account to be added, it will be just 1. And as you can see, the First Century Bank account, which is the US bank account, is only for Amazon.com, while the other one is for 12 marketplaces. You can adjust this as you want. Like if you want your US bank account to receive more, like to receive for Amazon India, Amazon Germany, Amazon Japan, then you click as appropriate. So as you click, it will take it away from the Amazon pounds accounts, if you understand what I mean. But if this is your only bank account, I mean, you've got nothing to worry about. Just click on save at the end, and that's it. Your account is there. So that's it for this video. I hope this is really helpful. If it is helpful, please like this video, leave me a comment below, and also share this video. Okay, this will help other people to see this video, and it will help YouTube to actually push out this video, which is the reason why I'm making this video, for a lot of people to see it and get help. Thank you so much. I appreciate you being here. If you got more questions,